Welcome to Study Loop.
In part A, we're given 10.6 grams of sodium sulfate in 483 grams of water. We're asked for the mass percent. Recall that mass percent is the mass of the solute, in this case 10.6 grams of Na2SO4, divided by the total mass. So that's 10.6 grams plus 483 grams. So that's my mass of solute divided by the total mass. I will then take that and multiply by 100%. And when I do that math, I find that this is equal to 2.15% by mass of sodium sulfate. Next, we're asked, if I have 2.86 grams of silver for 1 ton of ore, what's this concentration in parts per million? Recall that parts per million, ppm is parts per million, and 1 ton, this wasn't given to you, you'd have to look it up. 1 ton is 907 kilograms. So I'm going to write this as a fraction first to figure out what portion is equal to silver. So I'm going to write 2.86 grams over 907 kilograms. That's 907,000 grams. This is just going to get me the fraction that is equal to silver. That value is 0.00000, clearly a very small fraction, 315. Now, I'm going to set that to the side and recall that parts per million is another way of saying if I have 1 million parts of ore, let me write that out. If I have 1 million parts of ore, how many parts are silver is another way of saying parts per million. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fraction, 0.00000315, so again, this is the fraction. I'm going to multiply it by the whole, which is 1 million, or 10 to the 6. So this is the whole. And when I multiply the fraction by the whole, I'm going to get the part that is equal to just silver. And so when I do that, I get 3.15. I'm going to write that as ppm, parts per million, of silver.